Guys, in this video we're going to talk about Flashlogic's FLRSCH5. This is actually a remote start that they make for the Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, Dodge. They fit various vehicles from 2007 to all the way up to 2018. This particular one I ordered for a 2007 Dodge Ram, and we're going to open it up and see what comes with it. So what we have here is the control box for the Flashlogic. Comes with various wires, and also what we have is a wiring harness. That's actually the main wiring harness that connects to your ignition to bypass the ignition itself. They did send us a pamphlet of the other stuff that's available through Flashlogic. So there is no directions on how to put it on or anything, but you can go to their website, Flashlogic's website, and download the directions from there. You will need that. One thing you do want to make sure is before the product is shipped out for you, you want to make sure it is flashed to the vehicle, so that way it's going to work for that vehicle that you ordered for. Otherwise, you will have to go to Best Buy or a remote start shop of some kind to have them flash it before it will actually work. So in this baggie, there's various wires that you might not need. There's also a hood pin switch. It comes with the wire and the connection. Once through the directions, you figure out what type of installation this will be, and that'll tell you exactly which wires you're going to need. Some of these you might not end up using at all. Even the switch, some vehicles from factory have a switch, and this can be tied right into that switch, so you might not need this hood switch. So again, you want to make sure you get the directions, make sure you get this thing flashed before you have it. Otherwise, it's fairly easy plug and play install on these. You can do it yourself, it doesn't take that long. But in this video, I just wanted to show you what it actually comes with. And this is everything here. It has a little sticker, warning sticker you can put under the hood. And that's all it is, really. Not much to it. Alright, thanks for watching.